Hey, welcome to John's Jeep Garage. This is about resetting the oil light on your Jeep Wrangler JK or JKU.
Hi, this is John from John's Jeep Garage. I'm going to do a video today on how to reset the oil light on a Jeep JKU. This is specifically a 2016 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. I did a video about a month ago on changing the oil. I put this specific resetting steps in the video, but I've had some questions, so it was towards the end of the video. It was probably hard to find. You can easily Google this as well and get the sequencing of steps, but this will be a quick, short video. I'll walk through the steps and we'll be done. Thank you. Okay, let's take a look. We'll go inside and see how quick we can do it. Okay, we're in the Jeep. I'm gonna put the key in the ignition, turn it on. I don't have an oil light on because I just recently changed the oil and reset it, but I'm still gonna show you through the menu how to see how this thing works. I'm going to go to vehicle info, coolant temperature, oil life. So it has 53% oil life remaining. What I do is I turn the key on, but I do not start the car. You turn the key fully on. I then push the gas pedal 3 times down within less than 10 seconds, all the way down. You push the gas pedal down 3 times. 1, 2, 3, all the way down. Then you turn the key off, and then I turn it back on again, and we're gonna check that oil percentage and see what it is. Now I have 100% oil life remaining. That's all you do. So that's it, simple. Again, you can Google it. There's probably other help videos out there, but just wanted to highlight this one. Thank you for visiting John's Jeep Garage, and if you would, please like if it helped, and subscribe. We're trying to build this site. Thank you.